If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. You're gonna start with your weight on your left. You're gonna walk forward for 4. You're gonna step right, left, right, kick forward left. You're gonna walk back, left, right, left, touch right. Let me show that to you from this side. Weight on your left, I'll do it by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. Your weight is going to be on your left. You're going to cross right over left, point left. You're going to cross left over right, point right. You're going to step right behind the left, point left. Step left behind the right, touch right. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. Your weight is on your left. Remember, you again touched with that right. You're gonna do a grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Weight on your left, step right to the side, left behind, right to the side, touch left, step left to the side, right behind, left to the side, touch right. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final section. Weight on your left. You're going to do a turning jazz box to the right. So you're going to cross right over left, left back, right at a quarter, step right, step left. Then you're going to do a jazz box in place. Right over left, left back, right to the side, left, take the weight. Let's do that section by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. Full dance by the counts. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to talk about that tag. So it's going to happen at the end of wall 3, going into wall 4. Weight is on your left. The tag is walk in a circular motion to the right for 4 counts. So you're going to go right, left, left. Then you're going to pop that right heel up, step down, left heel up, step down. Let me show that to you by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you what that tag looks like going from wall 3 to 4 into that tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's that tag. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.